I'm sorry, dude. You gonna miss the daddy? Take me back. I love you. Oh. Good morning. Blah. Good morning. Yeah, it's Monday. Today, I don't get paid by Pepsi yet. Today, we're gonna go get some. I've got a bunch of vanities to pick up, and I got a bunch of vanities to pick up, and a tub to pick up, and a tub size issue to work out. And also, we're going to try to, had a drone situation, charging situation. I lost the cord, and it looks like I figured it out. Maybe. Is it still? Yeah, that's me. So maybe I'll get my drone up in the air today. We'll see. But right now, headed to Lowe's. Pick up some junk. Some cabinets. Stuff. Expensive stuff. Already paid for it. Let's go! Oh! You talking about being old? My dad is 78 and he works about as hard. Sometimes I can't keep up with him.
Is that right?
Yeah, he is a horse. He makes me feel weak. Yeah, and I think he goes, and once we get done working, he goes and hides because he's done wore out, you know what I mean? But he don't want me to know he's wore out. He wants me to think that's normal and I'm just weak.
Yeah. So just these three, this is it. All right. Door slats.
Sweetness. That was a workout.
That's why I made him get me a dolly.
I don't blame you. At all. On the dolly. Oh, how's Kate?
How you been?
Good, man. It's freaking been a crazy day. Boy, it's nice out here though, isn't it?
It warmed up.
Oh, that's looking fantastic. Yeah, that's looking great. They're gonna love that. They're gonna love that. Place looks great. Painter's been in here getting busy.
That's the final coat, I guess.
Y'all have to watch, man, going up beside them doors and windows. Make sure you fucking match when you get to the top of them.
That's what
I'd have a laser out on that shit.
that's exactly what I was saying.
Woogie, woogie, woogie. Damn, this freaking tall guy making a mess up here. Where is that tall guy? There he is. What's up? I got vanities. When do you think you're gonna be ready?
You got what?
Vanities.
Vanities? I mean, they can set them tomorrow.
Okay.
We'll do all
You'll be
this
ready?
Thursday. Yeah.
Awesome.
So this one here,
What's up, man? By the way.
this one here, we're gonna run this way.
Okay. What is this tile? This one?
Yeah, 12 by 24. It's all the same.
Is this black? Is this the black you were talking about?
No, that's the concept gray.
This is the finished side? Yeah.
Yeah.
I like that. What's she done? You gonna just do a stagger pattern? Is that what she's wanting to do? Just random stagger? Or is she splitting it 50-50?
50-50, I guess. Nobody told me any different.
It works for me.
Yeah. And then this one in here, we'll run it through.
And which one is it? Same one?
Yeah, same time.
I think that's the way to go. So you're running this one
Yeah.
left, right, and that one north, south.
Yeah.
All right.
Basically, we'll run the long side with the tub. and both
Okay,
of them.
cool. Cool. That'd be a fun tile to lay. Was that 2 feet?
Yeah, 4 by 2. Yeah, 12 by 24.
Okay. Yeah, it will. It'll look real good. It's chillier in here than I expected it to be. Was it cold this morning?
No, not really.
I'm just wondering whether I need to put a heater in here or not.
Yeah, you can do that.
Well, the thing is, if I put a heater in here, it's diesel. I can't remember whether there's a vent in that left wall.
Oh yeah, pretty good idea.
There is a damn vent. There is a vent in the fucking wall.
And he said if we use 1/4 inch drywall, we might
But, well, there's no drywall going in here. It's shiplap,
ship lamp.
straight on the stud. But I see 2.5 inches to be gained if we move that wall. You see what I'm saying?
How big is it?
It's dead on. We got it. It's here. So we can check the actual and make sure the specs line up, because we're gonna have to make a choice on this thing. And if we do this, I have a feeling what we're gonna end up, here's what I think I'm gonna do. How far away from there is that door? Fuck, it's close. It's so, oh, well, we can make it work though.
And
It's got what? How much room you got right
It
here?
depends what wood.
You got a tape on you?
There's
See what you got right there.
4.5.
4.5. So we could, is that hinge right side? Right hand hinge? Yeah. Yeah, it's right hand right here. So the switch is over there. Okay. So we were what? We were dead on, weren't we?
You got right here,
If we take this wall out, right here.
right there, you're exactly 72. Like you ain't gonna sneeze.
72, and then we got to add an inch for shiplap. So
Well,
here's
yeah, we're dead 72.
here's what I think we do. This is gonna be a bitch. You're gonna hate me, Ron.
Well, it's Monday, so.
We can move that thing all the way back to the edge of that vent, this wall. And that'll give us
We'll tear everything apart in there.
I know. Well, then we go back, instead of drywall on this wall, we go back with shiplap inside that toilet room. So we don't have to fix that. You know what I mean? It'd be a quick fix. The only thing we'll have to fix is the ceiling. If we do this. And that'll give us an inch of clearance on either end of the tub. The only thing is, it's still not gonna center that fucking window in the space. And that's gonna drive me nuts. Then I think what we're gonna do here, damn, that's a solid post right there, ain't it? So that's gotta stay.
So that's when I talked to Ron a little bit about it earlier.
That solid post stays all the way till
So you got
to here.
6.5. Just call it 7.
Whatever.
Yeah, it's marked on the plans to be built there. Well, we didn't. Did we do this? We didn't do it.
No.
That was Knucklehead. We didn't do this.
No.
We would have caught this shit.
What's his name did that?
Yeah. And then we added the pad wall.
Yeah, we had
The pad wall's definitely got to come out.
We did this to center the window, but
Right.
that was before we knew how big the tub.
Did you get that door up? Overhead?
Yeah.
Okay. Y'all want to?
It's about,
Yeah, let's go unload this trailer, guys. Yeah, shit, man. You look at the right there. These look like how much. This is okay. I'll show you how to get it. It's super easy. I'm trying to get this up, where's the other? Ain't no light. None of it. Oh, heavy shit. Good job. Door side, too. He's trying to get his hands. Door side. Maybe take it out. Okay. Pretty sweet. Feel like it's good. Let's just put Oh, you need to go bit in the back. Yeah, we'll check one. Yeah, yes, that's right. That's right. Okay. I'll take it. I know what you like. Go grab stuff. Built in the back. I'll show you. Wait, that bag's a lot for keys. Cool. Oh, yeah, that's good. Yeah, yeah. You know what these are? Like it's coming out like a lot of Oh, we need to take it out, man. We can't get the garage. That open house in the garage. That would lock it up. Put it back on here. Yeah. So this is good. You're back. Fucking idiot. This is something that wasn't take. Now I'm going to say, well, I'll see it now. Never mind. Don't ever start at the top of the thing. That's why you so heavy that way. I got top there. Well, it's a pretty good day. Besides, I spicy this drone up good. It came crashing down. I don't know what happened. It said it had a motor failure. That's all I can tell you. But it's my son's too. He's gonna love it. He never plays with it though. So, anyway, pretty good day. Banker came out, did an inspection. I got a bunch of footage I'll download off the GoPro, and I'm done. I still gotta go drop this trailer off. Sun's going down. I think I got some sunset video maybe on the drone, but whatever drone footage I get, I'll share with you guys. It was pretty cool watching it on the screen. It just showed motor failure and the thing came flying down out of the sky with blinking red lights, and that was it. So anyway, hope you guys have enjoyed vlog number 3. Vlog Shish Boom Bob, and see you guys on the next one.